Unlock the true potential of Higgsfield by speaking your mind and letting your voice command your digital world. First, let's get your auditory channels open. Higgsfield Speak relies on clear voice input, so start by ensuring your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Navigate to your system's sound settings and confirm that your microphone is selected as the default input device. You should see a visual indicator, like a fluctuating bar, when you speak into it. Now, dive into Higgsfield itself. Locate the settings menu, usually found in the top navigation bar or sidebar. Within settings, find the voice and input, or a similar section dedicated to voice commands. This is where the magic begins. Understanding the language of Higgsfield Speak is key. Explore the list of supported voice commands. These are specific phrases Higgsfield recognizes to perform actions like initiating searches, navigating between modules, or even generating content. Familiarize yourself with these commands. They are your direct line to the AI's capabilities. For optimal recognition, fine-tune your microphone setup within Higgsfield's voice settings. You'll likely find options for microphone sensitivity or input levels. Speak clearly and at a consistent volume to find the sweet spot. If you're in a noisy environment, see if there are any noise suppression or echo cancellation options available to further isolate your voice. Experiencing hiccups? Don't worry if Higgsfield isn't picking up your commands. Check for background noise that might be overwhelming your microphone. Ensure your pronunciation is clear and avoid speaking too quickly. Restarting the Higgsfield application and your device can also resolve temporary recognition glitches. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be navigating Higgsfield as intuitively as a conversation.